Hello everyone, how are you? Children, today we are going to learn new words, the words having ow sound. Words having ow sound, that is OW. So watch out the video now for new words. Unit 7, Funny Clown. Let us read words with ow sound. Ow sound. What do we see? Cow. A cow lives in a shed. A cow gives us milk. Cow. How to do this? How? You also ask, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Look at these children. They are happy and dancing. Right now, it's a birthday party. Now. Wow! It's so beautiful. Wow! This is a night bird. Owl. 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 Down. The pandas are sliding up and down. Town. This is a small city. Town. Town. The girl is wearing a gown. Gown is a long dress worn by girls and ladies. Gown. What do we see? We see a bag. The color of the bag is brown. Brown, brown. This is a crown. A crown is worn by kings or queens on the head. Crown. Oh, this is a clown. You all know a clown. It's juggling. Clown, clown. So now let us look at the words in the word bank. Speak after me. Owl, cow, how, now, wow. Down, town, gown. Brown, crown and clown. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.